Now, this video right here, it means just one thing. The Owerri rail line is now fully active and in use, oh yes. But alongside this long-awaited development comes a wave of strict enforcement and serious action, like you're seeing in this video. On the ground, the Abia State Harmonized Task Force, known as ASHTF, has intensified its ongoing operations along the rail line corridor, especially at the notorious stretch by Owerri Road. After countless warnings from this task force issued to the traders and occupants who had turned the rail line corridor into an illegal marketplace, the government is no longer sitting on the fence this time around. Makeshift stalls, wooden shanties, and unauthorized structures are being turned down, like you can see. And why is that? Because public safety is now non-negotiable. With moving trains now running or about to run, these obstructions have become dangerous, even deadly. One wrong step near the tracks and lives could be lost. This is not just about enforcement, it's about preventing disaster before it strikes. Across town, enforcement continues at Brass Junction, another chaotic spot. You can see that in the video. There, the pedestrian walkway had been completely taken over by destitute individuals and illegal makeshift shelters. Now, as you can see, it has been cleared. Bulldozers, task force officers, and sanitation teams have reclaimed the walkway, restoring access to the public and reclaiming order. This is urban renewal in action, if you ask me, and it's also a wake-up call for residents across the southeast. Government infrastructure is not for private misuse. The rail is back and the message is loud and clear. No more trading on the tracks, no more ignoring safety, no more delay. For the people of Abia, this is more than enforcement. It's about safety, modernization, and progress.
After several warnings, today is enforcement. All the ramshackles that's obstructing the railway must be brought down. Must be brought down. After several warnings, we have come to totally enforce here and ensure that everything is brought down. This is not the first time they have been warned. It's not the second time. It's not the third time. You can see that all hands are on deck. You can see that all hands are on deck. This is the railway track. This is where they are selling. This is the railway track. Abia State Harmonized Task Force, we are enforcing safety of lives and properties. What we don't want is for people to be risking their own lives because they are looking for survival. That is very, very wrong. This is the railway. This is where they are selling. We have warned them times without number, and they have refused to hit that. So our warnings. So all hands are on deck to make sure that the whole building is brought down. See, here is at Brass. They are removing the ramshackles that these beggars used to occupy and obstruct the road.